Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning at 39 Fieldstone Road. Is it road? In Gorham, New Hampshire. We are in the 2-inch pipe, which is connected to a sump pump line, discharging off to the right-hand side of the building down the hill. Everything is covered full of snow right now, 72 feet. I run into tree root out there. On the outside of the pipe, somewhere out there, it dumps into a 3-inch or larger pipe, so I'm guessing they might have just dumped this pipe into that 3-inch pipe and tree roots got into it. So we'll come back and move forward. You can see a little bit of the fibrous stuff inside there. The rest of the pipe looks good from here out back. There's supposed to be 12 to 18 inches of snow.
I know.
The thing is, it's not under the garage. That would have been bad.
Yes, it would have. Yeah, so you see that should not be under the garage.
75 feet. Under the garage, so how far do you think that is? It's 20 feet to the thing.
It looks pretty far from where I am. It looks like it's probably 100 feet.
Was I wrong on that? I told him 30 feet.
Huh?
I told him 30 feet.
30 meters is what you meant.
Yeah. From
Okay, so it's 100 from the tree line? To
Yeah,
our
probably
house.
about
to
that
the
far.
garage.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we're probably talking 25 feet in front of him. So it's probably halfway between,
It's probably right in the middle of the yard.
right in the middle.
So it's definitely worth trying to clear it first, then trying to excavate it.
Yeah, for sure.
It's not saying that there isn't no damage out there, because I can't get beyond it. We're just basically seeing the back end of a train wreck.
Yeah.
We don't know what's up in front.
The other thing I thought of was